Welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Today we're just out here fixing up the coop. As you've seen, I added a little piece to the coop back here just to give the chickens a little bit more run. Now granted, this is just kind of pieced together because we are going to move them over there probably not till next spring. The year kind of come to an end pretty quick for us here as far as getting big projects going, so I'm not going to even attempt that until probably next year. That way we can get this all cleaned up, get this out of here, and maybe expand the garden or whatever. It doesn't matter what we do to it, but I'll move that coop over there and either utilize it or sell it. But anyways, we just had to go around and do our routine maintenance on our chicken run here, and I wanted to put this wire, this stuff I just had laying around, some old wire that I used around my garden. But weather right now is really today's high is only 51 degrees. It has really changed in the last couple days, so I would say fall is here for sure. I think we had our Indian summer, so now it's really time to buckle down and get things ready for winter. So what we'll be doing today is just routine things. That's about it. You also seen that we have some ducklings that were hatched here on the farm, so it's kind of late in the year for that, so we may have to put them in underneath the heat lamp and just feed them ourselves, just take them from her, because I don't think they'll last through the winter, because they won't even have their feathers and down feathers that are underneath their feathers to keep them for a couple of months, and that'll be right in January, and the weather will just be too cold. I don't think they'll last, so we're probably going to have to put them in the garage and maybe a water tank for right now, put some heat lamps on them and let them grow. And here they come right now. We did have 6, but I think 1 already perished, so she's only got 5 with her right now. But yeah, it was a surprise to us. We weren't even, didn't even know she was setting on eggs. So yeah, so today we're probably gonna do a few things here to get ready for winter. Got to put some stuff away from the pool. Got to pull the pump in, put it in the house. All that good stuff. The update on the pig. We sent the pig back to the breeder. She just wasn't taking any weight on. You know, there was going to be a show here in about a week, and she just didn't have enough weight on her to actually take her to a show. And she just got over that real bad sickness, so I didn't want to get her sick again taking her out to the show. So we let the breeder take her back. So right now we're not going to do any showing with the pigs through the winter. We'll just kick that back up in March, April when we get our 4-H projects, and then maybe we'll get a extra pig to show through the summer. All right, guys, we're gonna keep moving on here and getting things done, and I'll get back with you guys in a minute. All right, that's all disassembled. Got the filter out. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Maybe hang some things down so it's not coming up over. It's just wind's getting up underneath, blowing air up. Can't really have that. So I don't want that tarp ripping, then I'll have a fiasco on my hands. So I'm gonna get this stuff inside the house, and then the pool will be completely closed down. All right, this sawdust here is from a skid company up in a Amish community that's north of us about an hour. So we usually go up there and get, it's not dried wood, but it's not totally wet either. So $3 a bag though. They bag it up for us. We just tell them how many bags we want. They shovel it in there. It's better than $8 a bag for the square bales of sawdust or anything else we can get. So that's where we get it. Like I said, it's just a little Amish skid company, and this is the sawdust from them cutting all the wood. Corn, got 2 pounds of corn out, plus the block. So that should do it. And I think about 2 days we'll come out here and sit in this blind or 2 days, maybe we'll check on the card to see if there's any. It's like 294 right now. So hopefully we get something on it.